Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Advantage Payroll account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Advantage Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in advantage.payrollservers.us and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Advantage Payroll's account. Enter employee login ID and password associated with your Advantage Payroll's account and tap on sign in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot your password option. This is how you can log into your Advantage Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.